Hi guys, I'm Dr. Sharma. Now we will talk about basic cranial part 1. I will tell you only basic about cranial. Okay, what are the cranial nerves? Cranial nerves are which emerges directly from brain or brainstem and supply the head and neck muscle. This is cranial, or they are having oligodendrocytes covering in cranial parts. So this is cranial. How many cranial nerves? If you see in fishes and amphibians, there are 10 pairs of cranial nerve. But in reptiles and mammals, humans, there are 12 pair of cranial nerves. Total 24, 12 pairs, right 12 or left 12. So there are 12 pair of cranial nerves in mammals or reptiles. MCQs. Okay. Now we will talk about what are the 12 cranial nerves. We will go from front to backward. We will try to understand. Don't make mnemonic for each and every topic. Okay. First, we will talk about. First is olfactory. Its given nomenclature is Roman. Olfactory. Second is optic. This is for smell. This is for vision. Optic. This is olfactory. Just lateral to this eye, that is optic. Oculomotor. This is also supplying the extraocular muscle of the eyebrow. Extraocular muscle of the eyebrow. Trochlear. Trochlear is for supplying the extraocular superior oblique. Fifth one is largest cranial nerve is trigeminal. This is largest cranial nerve which supply the masseteric muscles and facial sensation. Six is abducens. This is supply the lateral rectus muscle, extraocular muscles. Now seventh is facial, which supply the facial expression muscles. Eighth is vestibulocochlear. This is having balance and hearing function. It means supply the ear. Ninth is Glossopharyngeal. We supply the palate and posterior tongue taste sensation, posterior taste sensation. 10th is vagal, which is the longest, which supplies the smooth muscles and palate, pharynx, larynx. Palate, pharynx, larynx. 11th is accessory. You may say spinal accessory one. And 12th is hypoglossal. We supply the tongue muscles, motor function. Okay. So you have to understand from front to backward. How olfactory for smell, optic for vision, oculomotor for extraocular muscles, except superior oblique and lateral rectus supply by the trochlear, supply the superior oblique and lateral rectus supply by the abducens, rest of the muscles supply by the oculomotor, extraocular muscles. Trochlear is extraocular supplying the superior oblique muscles. Now, trochlear trigeminal is largest cranial. Abducens supply extraocular. Facial is for facial expressions and facial sensations. Vestibulocochlear for balance and hearing, supplying the ear. Glossopharyngeal for taste and palate supply. Facial, that vegan is 10th longest cranial which is going below the neck. Only cranial which is going below the neck is vegan. And spinal accessory is 11th nerve which supply back vestibulo vagal accessory complex which supplying the palate pharynx. And hypoglossal nerve is also supplying the trapezius and sternocleidomastoid muscles. Hypoglossal is supplying the motor function of the tongue, that is supplying the muscles of the tongue, that is hypoglossal. So these are 12 pair of cranial nerves. Now some extra parts, if you say what is 0 and 13 nerve, both are same, 0 and 13 nerve, that is terminal nerve, or you may say nervus terminalis. This nerve found in primitive mammals, that is terminal nerve is above the rostral to the olfactory, with some fiber coming through the pubiform gland with the olfactory nerve. This is terminal nerve. What is 14 nerve? Sometimes branch of facial nerve, that is nervus intermedius, which supplying the coda temporalis stress sensation. It's called, that is nervus intermedius. This is the 14 nerve. Sometimes question will be asked about this. What is 0 nerve and what is 14 nerve? If asked how many cranial nerves, answer should be 12. Not this. This is just special points you have to remember. Now, types of the cranial nerves. How to differentiate? It may be sensory, it may be motor, or it may be both. How will you have to understand? If we talk about olfactory 1 to 8, they are pure sensory, purely sensory. It means they are taking sensation to the brain. All nose, effectory, or any function coming through brain to the these particular organ, only they are taking sensation. This is pure sensory. It means olfactory, optic, and vestibulocochlear are pure sensory nerves. Now we talk about this having both mixed nerve. First we will talk about mixed, then we will come to motor. Mixed we will talk about 5, 7, 9, 10. These are mixed nerve. Trigeminal, facial, glossopharyngeal, and vagal. These are having both functions. This motor and sensory function. That's why it is mixed. Rest of the nerves are pure motor. What is remaining is third, fourth, sixth, 11, and 12. Okay, these are the motor. So you have to remember this. You may also remember by this. You may have in Hindi pasand means for P for 5, S for 7, M for 9, and D for 10 for 10. Pasand. What is mixed is mixed nut. I like. I pasand the mixed nut. You can see. Now another classification which is better than sensory and motor, which combines the parasympathetic function also. Okay. So I will divide again these nerve. Nerve may be efferent, brain to the sensation coming brain to or supply coming brain to organ or particular viscera, and it may be afferent. You may say this is sensory or you may say this is motor. But better term is efferent or afferent. Efferent may be two types. It may be visceral, which supply the visceral, or it may be somatic, which supply the somatic structure. Somatic. Now, visceral may be general type or maybe special type. This way, somatic may be again general type or it may be special type. Same is here in afferent. It having two types. It may be visceral, it may be somatic. Again, it may be in visceral, it may be general visceral, it may be special visceral. Again, it may be general somatic effect or it may be special visceral effect. Okay, so now different motor, different again, it may be visceral, somatic, general, special, general, special, general. You may say this general visceral efferent, special visceral efferent, general somatic efferent, special somatic efferent, general visceral efferent, special visceral efferent, general somatic efferent, special somatic efferent. Okay, but in this, there is no form of this. So this is no muscle in special somatic effect. Okay. Rest we have 7 column. This is available, 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 this is this. All this is 7 column. Now we will talk about these 7 columns. Now I have to finish because it's very small topic. Now we will talk about this special somatic efferent. These special somatic are 3 now. 1 to 8, which are purely sensory coming this column. So special somatic efferent column. I'm telling here because the very small topic that's I'm finishing here. Now we will talk about columns. For here cranial nuclei are situated of these cranial nerves. Now we will talk about efferent column. Or now here we will talk about efferent column nuclei. If we see the origin, this is midbrain, this is pons, this is mid. Now, what is first is column? We will talk about general visceral effect. Okay, it means we are supplying the viscera. This is general and sensation. So, what are the general? It's we will talk about parasympathetic column. General visceral effect means parasympathetic. This supply the smooth muscles of viscera, smooth muscles. Parasympathetic column. What are the parasympathetic nerves? Midbrain origin is, if you see, talk about this midbrain, you have one nuclei in midbrain that is adding up west wall nucleus of third. Okay, this supply the sphincter pupil and ciliaris muscle through third cranial nerves. That is, this nuclei is general visceral efferent. In pons, what are the other nuclei which supply the sensation of the nerves? Now, in pons, we have two nuclei. Superior salivary nucleus or inferior salivary nucleus. Inferior salivary nucleus. This nuclei is supplying the superior salivary nucleus is submandibular sublingual gland through the seventh nerve. And upper part of this. So, lower part of the superior salivary nucleus having this lacrimal nucleus. This part is which supply the lacrimal gland of the eye. This inferior salivary nucleus also found in lower pons which supply the parotid glands through the ninth cranial nerve. Medulla, there is one nucleus, that is dorsal nucleus of vagus. This very large nucleus. Tenth, dorsal nucleus of vagus. We supply the smooth muscle of GI tract. Okay, so this column is absolutely general visceral efferent parasympathetic. So another question asks, what are the parasympathetic nerves? See, third, seventh, ninth, and 10th. These are the parasympathetic nerves. Okay. Now we will talk about next column is special visceral efferent. Special visceral efferent column. What are the special viscera? The viscera which is origin is pharyngeal arch. But all special visceral efferent organs are which are origin from the pharyngeal arch. What are the pharyngeal arch having nuclei? This is motor nuclei of trigeminal B. Another nuclei that is motor nucleus of facial nerve. And one very large nuclei which supply combined 9th, 10th and 11th cranial nerve. This is nucleus ambiguous. Nucleus ambiguous. So, pharyngeal arch origin is mandibular, first arch mandibular, second arch origin is facial, third arch is glossopharyngeal, and fourth and sixth arch, superior laryngeal nerve, recurrent laryngeal nerve. So, all muscle supplying through trigeminal, facial, glossopharyngeal, superior laryngeal, and recurrent laryngeal are coming in this column. This is spatial visceral efferent column. Now we will talk about general somatic. Next column remaining is general somatic efferent column. In this column, whatever structure arising from somite. What structure arising from somites are extraocular muscle and tongue muscle. So these nuclei coming this here only. So what are the nuclei? origin. The extraocular muscles, this is motor nucleus of third nerve. This is motor nucleus of fourth nerve. And these six nerve, that is abducens, which supplying the extraocular. These third, fourth, and sixth supplying the extraocular muscles. Now, what remaining is hypoglossal nucleus of the hypoglossal nucleus of hypoglossal nerve. This is hypoglossal nucleus. Okay, so these are the structure which so origin from somites. That's why third, fourth, sixth, which supply the extraocular muscles. Somites, extraocular muscles, and tongue is hypoglossal muscle. So this is about efferent bone. Now we will talk about this efferent bone. Now we will talk same here. General visceral efferent or special visceral efferent. This is sensory bone. Are coming in single. Only here is general visceral efferent or special, only one nuclei is here, that is found in the medulla oblongata or in the lower part of the bones, that is nucleus tractus solitarius. What is solitary? Why solitarius? It's only nuclei which having a special solitary nucleus which having both characteristic general visceral efferent and special visceral efferent found in the medulla oblongata. That is called nucleus tractus solitarius. This speciality is if about this cranial part having gustatory function, gustatory nuclei. It means any this taste sensation, it may coming from chorda tympani, glossopharyngeal vagus going through this. It means taste of the coffee and taste of any tea is going in this nuclei. Whatever it is coming by tract, it's chorda tympani, glossopharyngeal vagus going into this gustatory nuclei. Rest of the nucleus tractus solitary and rest of the general sensations are going in this nucleus tractus solitarius. Okay, this is this temperature of coffee viscera means this viscera temperature of coffee of the tongue is going into the nucleus tractus solitarius. Okay, now we will talk about general somatic efferents. Somatic means body part. What is supplying the body part? Only very one largest nuclei which found the midbrain. General somatic efferent. Starting from midbrain to going into the medulla or it may go into some spinal upper part of spinal cord. One largest nucleus, this is called trigeminal nucleus, which supply the body bone. That is trigeminal nucleus. It's having three parts. This is in origin midbrain. Upper part is called mesencephalic nucleus. Mesencephalic nucleus. This middle part is called principal nucleus, principal or chief nucleus. And this lower part is called spinal nucleus of trigeminal nerve. This trigeminal nucleus coming into general somatic efferent. Mesencephalic divided into three parts. Mesencephalic nucleus, principal or chief nucleus, in bones, and third part is spinal nucleus of trigeminal nerve. They have a special characteristic like this mesencephalic nucleus having unipolar neuron. This is the only site in the brain which having unipolar neuron. That is MCQ. And this is also responsible for mesenteric reflex. Mesenteric reflex. So these two characteristics is mesencephalon, and it is in proprioceptive function. Proprioceptive function. Three, unipolar neuron site, mesenteric reflex going to mesencephalic nucleus, and it is in proprioceptive function. Now we will talk about principal or chief nucleus. It forms part of the trigeminal nucleus. It for touch and pressure. It take touch and pressure of the head and neck or body wall. This spinal nucleus is for pain and temperature. So any sensation like pain, temperature of the face is going into the spinal nucleus of trigeminal nerve. Now last column we will talk about is spatial somatic afferent. I already told you, first olfactory which origin from cerebrum. Second, optic is also direct extension of diencephalon coming the spatial somatic afferent. Now eighth which arises from the pontomedular junction is this spatial somatic afferent is vestibulocochlear nerves. So these are the columns. Just you have to understand. Don't make any mnemonic for this. So it's very simple. Now I will revise it again. General visceral efferent means parasympathetic column. What are the which supply the smooth muscles of the glands? Now third is adding of vestibule, which supplies ciliary nucleus and sphincter pupillary. Superior salivary nucleus, which supply the sublingual and submandibular gland and lateral gland. Inferior salivary nucleus, which supply the parotid gland, and dorsal nucleus of Vegas, which supply the GI tract. Now we will spatial visceral efferent. It's not spatial visceral means this motor function is having special characteristics. Muscle origin from pharyngeal arch. What are the muscle pharyngeal arch? First is mandibular. First arch origin mandibular. Second arch origin is facial. Third arch is glossopharyngeal. Fourth is superior and sixth is that is recurrent line. Which these nerves supplying this motor nucleus located in the pons, hip, and facial again pons, and medulla oblongata rest of the pharyngeal nucleus, which are very special visceral efferent. Now, general somatic efferent. Somates, which what are the structure arising from somates? Extraocular muscles and tongue muscle. Tongue having one motor function only by the hypoglossal. This third and fourth found in midbrain, which supplying the extraocular muscle. Third supplying rest. This fourth supplying the superior oblique, and sixth supplying the lateral. Rest of the muscles motor function by the oculomotor. Third. Now we come to the afferent general visceral afferent. Any sensation of the oral cavity or pharynx or this nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. General visceral afferent or special visceral is vestibular nucleus tractus solitarius. Upper part is vestibular, lower part is nucleus tractus solitarius. It's for tongue temperature of the viscera. This is for the taste sensation, the taste of the coffee and taste of the food. And going to the this gustatory nucleus and temperature of the food, coffee, and tea going to nucleus tractus solitarius. This nucleus for sensation of the body bone, like this coming to general somatic afferent column, that is trigeminal nucleus having three parts: mesencephalic, principal nucleus, and trispinal nucleus of trigeminal having separate function, like mesencephalic go for proprioceptive function, and this touch and pressure coming into the principal chief nucleus, and this spinal nucleus of trigeminal going to pain and temperature. Now we will talk about spatial somatic afferent. This is only three nerves, 1 to 8. Means olfactory, optic, and this vestibular. Okay, thank you so much.